Want to supercharge your workday with an app that streamlines everything? Let's dive into the Lex Infosys app and unlock its potential for a more efficient you. First, you'll need to download the app and log in using your employee credentials. It normally consists of your employee ID and your password. The home screen acts as your central hub. You'll quickly see company announcements, important updates, and any assigned tasks. Navigation is easy. Use the bottom menu to access different sections. Need to catch up on the latest company news? Navigate to the announcement section, where you'll find important updates, policy changes, and company-wide communications. This ensures you stay informed. Moving on to tasks, this is where you'll find your assignments. You'll see the task description, to-do date, and its status. Mark tasks as completed when finished, updating your progress. Next, let's see how to track your time. Use the clock in and clock out features readily available within the application. This is how to record your work hours. You can easily review your timesheets to ensure accuracy. Need to contact HR or find a colleague's details? The app often includes a directory. We'll find contact information and potentially HR request options while streamlining communication and support. By utilizing these features, you'll notice a smoother workday. Use the Lex Infosys app to stay connected and organized. Happy working! Don't forget to use #LexInFosys #employee app.